This is a concise tutorial on how to remove a center console or a cup holder on a 2012 Mazda Mazda2. Unfortunately, I had to unclip this already because I don't have the hand strength. It'll feel very hard and difficult, but if you pull it directly up on this, it'll snap up from the back and release. And the front will feel like it's not going to, but you should be able to have enough space to wedge in a tool of some sort in the little slot here. And what I did not know, because I couldn't find anything, is after you get the center console up, it is actually partially held on by that, which I snapped off the plastic, which is unfortunate. But it's just held on by little Christmas clamps right here. They just squeeze in and pop into the hole. And that concludes our tutorial. Have a good day. Oh, and in case somebody's actually watched these videos before, the lovely lady you saw, Michelle, with our baby, my girlfriend of 7 years, died last year, mother of 5. Have a good day.